Good morning, students. Welcome to Rishikul Vidyapit online classes. Let's continue. In previous lecture, we have studied these 10 formulas and we have studied their proof also. Now, we are moving further. From this formula, we will try the formula of sine 2x. Put y equal to x here. See what we will get. Sine x plus x, this is equal to sin x cos x plus cos x sin. Now you have to put y equal to x here. This is sin x cos x, this is also sin x cos x. Therefore your formula is 2 sin x cos x. This is the formula of sin 2x, which you have to remember. There is one more formula of sin 2x, and that is your 2 tan x upon 1 plus tangent square x. This is also the formula of sin 2x. How will you prove it? Just put tangent x equal to sin x upon cos x. All of we know very well. Tangent x equal to sin x upon cos x. Put it here. What we will get? 2 sin x upon cos x whole divided by 1 plus sin square x upon cos square x. Simplify this one and we will get our answer. Now, this is your 2 sin x upon cos x whole divided by. Take LCM. Cos square x is LCM here. We will get cos square x plus sin square x. This is your 2 sin x cos x, and we have learned this identity cos square x plus sin square x, that is equal to 1. Now take this term 1 upon cos square x in the numerator. What will become? Cos square x upon 1. This 1 cos x will be cancelled out. What is left? 2 sin x cos x. And we know very well this is the formula of sin 2x. Therefore, students, you have to remember two formulas of sin 2x. First one is 2 sin x cos x, and second is 2 tan x upon 1 plus tangent square x. I am writing here. There are two formulas of sin 2x. 2 sin x cos x, and second formula is 2 tan x upon 1 plus tan square x. These are the two formulas of sin 2x. Now move to next formula, that is your cos 2x, and we will derive it from cos x plus y. Put y equal to x in formula number 3. Formula number 3 is here. Cos x plus y. You have to put y equal to x here. This will become x plus x equal to cos x into cos x minus sin x into sin x. Cos x into cos x, this is your cos square x, and sin x into sin x, this is your sin square x. This is your first formula of cos 2x, and there are total 4 formulas of cos 2x. Now see, we know that cos square x plus sin square x, that is equal to 1. All of we know very well. From here, find out the value of cos square x. Cos square x equal to 1 minus sin square x. Put this value of cos square x here. See what we will get. We will get cos 2x equal to, now put value here, cos square x equal to 1 minus sin square x. This will become 1 minus sin square x, and this minus sin square x as this. Minus sin square x minus sin square x, this will become 2 sin square x, and your formula is cos 2x equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x. This is the second formula of cos 2x. Now for third formula, find value of sin square x from here. And from here, sin square x equal to 1 minus cos square x. Right? Now, put value of sin square x here. Put value of this sin square x here. What you will get? Therefore, cos 2x equal to 1 minus, cos square x minus, put value of sin square x here, 1 minus cos square x. Open the bracket, you will get cos square x minus 1 minus minus plus, therefore your formula is 2 cos square x minus 1. This is your third formula of cos 2x. Now the last one, cos 2x equal to 1 minus tan square x upon 1 plus tan square x. And you can prove this formula by yourself by putting tangent x equal to sin x upon cos x, and you can easily derive this formula also. Therefore, 4 formulas of cos 2x are there, and writing all the 4 formulas, cos 2x equal to first formula cos square x minus sin square x. Second formula 2 cos square x minus 1. Third formula 1 minus 2 sin square x, and fourth is 1 minus tangent square x upon 1 plus tangent square x. These are the 4 formulas of cos 2x which you have to remember. Right? Now, we will derive the formula of tangent 2x. See here. Procedure is same. You have to put y equal to x. In the formula of tangent x plus y, what you will get? Tangent x plus x, that is equal to tan x plus tan x whole divided by 1 minus. Similarly here, put y equal to x, you will get 1 minus tan x into tan x. Tan x plus tan x, this is equal to 2 tan x, and tangent x into tangent x, that is your tangent square x. This is the formula of tangent 2x. Next formula which we are going to derive here, that is your cot 2x. Put y equal to x here, method is same. You will get cot x plus x. Put y equal to x here. This is your cot x into cot x minus 1 whole divided by. Put y equal to x here. Cot x plus cot x. Therefore, your formula of cot 2x equal to cot x into cot x, cot square x minus 1 cot x plus cot x. This is your 2 cot x. This is the formula of cot 2x. Next formula which we are going to derive here, that is of triple angles sin 3x. This is your formula number 13 and this is your formula number 14. Now, sin 3x. Sin 3x equal to 3. This formula is of triple angle, therefore 3 will come here. Formula is of sine, that's why you will write sine here, minus 4 sine. Now this 3 will come in power. This is the formula of sine 3x. Next formula is cos 3x. Now this term will come first. In cos there is only one change. This term will come first and first term will come at the end. Since this formula is of cos, therefore we will write cos in place of sin. This will become 4 cos cube x, right? Minus. Now this term will come at the end and you will write cos in place of sin. Minus 3 cos x. This is the formula of cos 3x. Next, I am going to prove one of these two formula, sin 3x or cos 3x. I am proving sin 3x here. Similarly, you can prove the formula of cos 3x. Now sin 3x. Break this 3x. We can write it as x plus 2x. Let this angle is y. This will become sin x plus y, and we know very well formula of sin x plus y. Apply it here. You will get sin x cos, next term is y, and value of y is here 2x. This will become cos 2x. Plus, next term is cos x sin y. This is your cos x sin y, and value of y is 2x. Now, in your answer, you can check all the terms are of sin and you need x only, not 2x. Therefore, apply the formula of cos 2x. But there is one more problem here. We are having 4 formulas of cos 2x. Which formula we will apply? I am writing all the 4 formulas. Cos 2x. Cos square x minus sin square x. 2 cos square x minus 1. 1 minus 2 sin square x. And 1 minus tan square x upon 1 plus tan square x. These are the 4 formulas of cos 2x. Which formula we will apply? We will apply that formula where we have sin only, because in our answer we require sin. And you can see in this formula there is term of sin only. Therefore, apply it here. Sin 2x, sin x into. Apply the formula of cos 2x here. 1 minus 2 sin square x plus cos x. Formula of sin 2x we know very well. This is your 2 sin x cos x. I can write here again formula of sin 2x. This is your 2 sin x cos x, and one more formula is here 2 tan x upon 1 plus tan square x. Right? Simplify this one and we will get the answer. This is your sin x into 1 sin x into 2 sin square x. This will become minus 2 sin cube x. Because base is same, power will be added. Now multiply cos x with cos x. This will become cos square x. Right? But still we are not getting our answer. Because in answer we need sin only. Therefore put value of cos square also. We have learnt one identity, sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1. From there, you can write down the value of cos square x equal to 1 minus sin square x. Simplify this one and get the answer. Sin x minus 2 sin cube x plus 2 sin x. Multiply it inside. 2 sin x. 2 sin x into sin square x. This will become 2 sin cube x. Sin x plus 2 sin x. This is your 3 sin x minus 2 sin cube x or 2 sin cube x. This is your 4 sin cube x. Right? This is the formula of sin 3x. Next formula which we are going to study here, that is of tangent x plus y plus z. See the formula of tangent x plus y plus z. Let this y plus z equal to capital Y. Right? This will become your tangent x plus y, and we know very well formula of tangent x plus y. This is your tangent x plus tangent y upon 1 minus tan x tan y. Now put value of capital Y. This will become tan x plus tangent. Value of capital Y is y plus z upon 1 minus tan x into, put value of y here. This will become tangent y plus z. Now upon the formula, tangent y plus z. Tangent y plus z equal to tangent y plus tangent z upon 1 minus tan y tan z whole divided by 1 minus tan x. Now put value of tangent y plus z here. This is your tangent y plus tangent z upon 1 minus tangent y tangent z. Simplify this one and get your answer. Now see here. Take LCM. 1 minus tangent y into tangent z, that is your LCM, and your LCM will be cancelled out from denominator also. This will become tangent x into 1 minus tangent y tangent z plus tangent y plus tangent z whole divided by. Here you will get 1 minus tangent y tangent z minus, multiply this tangent x inside, you will get minus tan x into tan y minus tangent x into tangent z. Open this bracket also, you will get tangent x minus tan x tan y tan z plus tan y plus tan z whole divided by 1 minus, arrange this one, write this term first, 1 minus tan x tan y minus tan y tan z minus tan z tan x. Now I am arranging the terms in the numerator also. Therefore formula of tangent x plus y plus z equal to tan x plus tan y plus tan z minus tan x tan y tan z whole divided by 1 minus tan x tan y minus tan y tan z minus tan z tan x. This is the formula of tangent x plus y plus z. Thank you.